Hey, what is up guys, this is Jarvis back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can run Android app on any Windows 11 PC. As Microsoft promised to provide Windows Subsystem for Android in the Microsoft Store, but it is not available yet. So we will option for a third-party site to pass the hurdle. Let's start the video without any further ado.
Preview.
Let me show you the current Windows version of my PC. So guys, as you can see, edition is Windows 11 Pro and version is 2.21H2. And guys, you need to open a link. I will provide the link in the description box. Here is the link stored at guard.net, and refresh this. And guys, you need to copy this product ID and paste this product ID here. Now select product from the drop down box and here select slow option and tick the checkmark button. And guys, after a few seconds it will provide a file which is about 1.21 GB. Here is the file, you need to download this. So I am gonna open this link address and open this in new tab to download this file. So guys, as you can see, downloading is now started. File is downloading already, so I am gonna cancel this and wait until the download process is done. File is now downloaded. It's time to install the Windows Subsystem for Android package. Guys, to install this Windows package you need to open terminal as administrator. So I'm gonna open Windows terminal as administrator. And now you need to execute a command, and here is the command. I will provide this command in the description box. You can copy from the description box. And here paste the command, copy the address of the downloaded file, and here is my download file. I am gonna copy the address and paste here and hit enter. If everything goes right, then package will be deployed and you will see a new icon in your start menu. So wait until the process is done. As no error occurs, so search for Windows Subsystem for Android. Now we have installed the Windows Subsystem for Android. It's time to configure it for the app side loading. So first of all, you need to enable the developer option, and to get the IP address, tap on refresh button. If you are unable to see the IP address, then click on the file option at the top of the settings screen. If it occurs error, then we need to enable the virtualization technology from the BIOS menu. As you can see, it asks to enable the virtualization machine from the BIOS menu. So I am gonna turn off my computer and boot my computer into the BIOS menu. My computer is now boots up into the BIOS menu. Go to system configuration and here enable virtualization technology and press F10 to save the changes and reboot your system. My system is now boots up. Open Windows Subsystem for Android again, and here tap on refresh button, and as you can see, IP address is still unavailable. Now open control panel and here search for programs and features. In this, tap on window features and here enable virtualization technology Here is the virtual machine platform and click on OK. It may take some time, so be patient. I'm gonna fast forward this video. Process is now completed. Now we need to restart our system, so I'm gonna restart my PC.
A few moments later.
My system is now boots up. Open Windows Subsystem for Android again, and here tap on IP address. It is not working, so tap on Files option. And guys, wait for some time. It will ask you a permission, so allow the permissions, and it may take some time, so I'm gonna fast forward this video. It will open a file manager. So as you can see, here is the file manager. Now minimize this and tap on refresh. As you can see, the IP address is available. Now it's time to install Adb Fastboot. So guys, you can download Adb Fastboot file from the description box. Here is the Adb Fastboot file, so I'm gonna install this. Now in the Windows terminal, type adb connect and copy the IP address from Android subsystem web view and paste in the terminal and then hit enter. Connection is now established. Now it's time to download APK. Guys, to install any application, any Android application in Windows 11, you must have an APK of that application. So I'm gonna download up to down APK. APK is now downloaded. Now you need to copy the location of this APK. So I'm gonna copy the exact location of this APK file. Now open terminal and here type adb install and paste the location of that APK and hit enter. It will take some time, so be patient. Application is now installed. As you can see, success in the terminal. So search for the installed application up to down, and guys, boom, as you can see, application is now installed. So I'm gonna open this. Guys, some applications are not stable for the Windows, but most of the applications are working fine in Windows 11. Now let me show you how to install the Instagram, and by the way, the procedure is same for all the Android application. First of all, you must have an APK. Download the APK file for that application and just install with the help of ADB. Instagram APK is also installed, so search for Instagram. And guys, as you can see, Instagram application is now successfully installed on my PC. So guys, you can install any Android application by this way. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.